YouTube, Mads here. I'm in Clevedon Woods today. I'm going to be showing you my brew kit, what I take on hiking and what I take on walks and wild camping. Hope you enjoy. So today I thought I'd come up to Clevedon Woods, have a look around. It's a bit private. I'm not used to making these YouTube videos. Thought I would put, a brew kit video together. It's something I've had probably for the best 4 or 5 years easily. Slowly but surely got my weight down. Really impressed with what I've achieved really from my first brew kit, which was a big heavy sort of army surplus pot and all the heavy stuff. And I've really whittled it down to kind of around about the 300 grams mark. So really happy with that. We'll see how it goes. What I would really like to say is thank you for everybody who's already subscribed. I'm really not too sure whether I keep it as a private YouTube channel or if I go and do a branded one and have a name. So I'm just thinking of possible name, whether it's something along the lines of me being outdoors or, the usual kind of wild camping, hiking, outdoorsy type people. We'll see. So another thing I'm checking out today is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's a new bit of kit. I bought it just before Christmas. Really enjoyed using it. I'm trying to get used to the settings and we'll see how it goes really. So one thing I am trying today is just to get familiar with this GoPro. My last video, the sound of me talking was really quiet. In the post edit, it was really hard to crank it up because of the software I'm using, which is iMovie. It's not the best software, but I'm a beginner, so we'll see how that goes. Also getting used to this angle, whether it needs to be here or whether it needs to be here. The sound aspect, I bought one of those wind mics for the GoPro, so it's like a foam shell. I've got that on at the moment. I'll see if I can take a video of that later. I'm also just trying out the canopy walk really. See how the light affects this GoPro. It's on a basic, normal, standard setting with a lot of things auto-tuned. Yeah, we'll just see how that goes. So my brew kit mainly consists of a titanium Snow Peak pot. It holds about 850 milliliter to 900 milliliter water when it's right to the brim. Main use of it, I would say, is for boiling the bag meals that I use it for. So it saves up the cleaning and the mess that comes with that. And also those boiling the bag meals come in one packet. I can fold it down nice and small, put it in a Ziploc bag and take it home with me, keeping the ethos of leave no trace. In addition to that, I use the really minuscule BRS 2000 titanium little stove, £15 on Amazon, super cheap and cheerful. I use it for the weight, the size, it fits in my pot. I'm really impressed with it. I did have an MSR pocket rocket before, enjoyed that, just a little bit heavier, a little bit bigger and didn't fit in the pot. So I'm all about not being ultralight, but trying to get somewhere near there and just trying to make it a pleasant experience rather than carrying all that weight on your back. I also take one of the smaller gas canisters. I usually go for the MSR ISO propane mix. I find that works quite well in the cold. However, I am tempted with a MEPS trial, trying the Trangia, trying other ways of cooking. I just want to get out there more. My friend has a jet boil. I do like that kit. It does come with a bit of weight, and I think I've benefited from doing what I've done with my Snow Peak titanium pot and the BRS 2000. So this forthcoming weekend, it is school holidays. It's the middle of August. It's after the lockdown as such, where people are allowed to move about. Me and my best mate Hal, we are going to go wild camping up on Dartmoor. I did it last week on my own, which was my first solo, which was a really good experience. Just gave me a good grounding and confidence again. So yeah, really looking forward to this forthcoming weekend. My weight of my bag is coming down, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So today I've brought my small sort of day pack. It's got a brew kit in there, snack, small bottle of water. I just keep using the same smart water bottle for size, convenience, and obviously for not polluting the planet. So my main ambition today was to come up to a really nice little spot. It's got a little stone seat. And I know that some people have just gone and sat on it, so I might have to hang around before I can do my brew kit review, just as the sun has come out as well. So look at that, my spot's free now. So this is my brew kit. This is the pot, the brew kit itself, obviously a bottle of smart water I usually take, and the windshield. Basically in this brew kit we've got, for the Treadlite bag, only weighing 4 grams, we've got the OEX Potstand, and then we've got the Snow Peak titanium pot. It does come with a cup. I don't use the cup because I've got a smaller cup on the inside which weighs less. Inside here we've got the pot lid with a good handle. We've got the BRS stove, a blue cloth, take the hot pot off the stove. We've also got this Swedish Helikon-Tex folding Swedish mug. Also with inside here we have the ISO Pro MSR gas canister, and then lastly we've got the tea bags in the bottom, a white Bic mini lighter. Try and get it as bright colour as possible just in case you drop it so you don't ever lose it, and then just some kitchen roll to stop the whole thing rattling around in your bag. And that's my brew kit.